to GooCampus. My name is Neha and I'm the social media manager. I've been working here for the last 6 months and the environment that we've created is very homely and welcoming. Let me show you around.
Hello everyone, my name is Vipin Vijayaraman and I joined GooCampus in 2020 as a business development intern. At that time, I never knew that this opportunity would shape my career in ways I couldn't have imagined. And as time went on with GooCampus, I seized every opportunity to contribute and grow within the organization. And definitely through hard work, dedication, and of course, with the support of my colleagues, I gradually advanced from being a business development intern to the person who was leading the operations team. This transition was both challenging and rewarding as I learned to manage a team while continuously striving for excellence. And my journey with GooCampus has been both joyful and enriching. I'm really grateful for the trust placed in me and also the friendships I have found here. And if there is one piece of advice I could give to anyone starting their career, it would be to seek out opportunities that challenge you, surround yourself with supportive colleagues, and embrace a culture that fosters growth. And that's exactly what I found at GooCampus, and it has made all the difference.
Hello, I'm Chandan. I started my career in GooCampus in the year 2019. I started off as a probationary counselor and later made a switch to the operations team where I worked for about 2 years. And at the moment, I'm business partnership and talent development manager. I am responsible for making new vendor and partnership connections. As someone who is responsible for making these connections, I go through a ton of requests and only then shortlist the ones that match our standards of practice and service. Before we finalize any partnerships, we go and do a deep dive into the service and background history of these vendors to make sure that we work only with the best that is in the space. At GooCampus, I am able to do what I love, and that is finding new partners and strengthening the bond that is there with the existing partners. These partners have a direct impact on our clients, so it is very vital that we do our due diligence.
Hello, I'm Robin. I'm working as a sales manager in the counseling team. I joined GooCampus 3 years ago as a probationary counselor. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to help hundreds of medical aspirants. I believe that as counselors, it's our responsibility to guide doctors and help them choose the right pathway, whether it's in India, UK, Australia, or the USA. At GooCampus, I'm provided with the opportunity to interact with medical professionals and help them make a difference in their choices. These choices make a deep impact in their lives. Although it's only been a few years since I've joined GooCampus, I've moved up the ranks quite swiftly because I've put in the time and effort to excel at what I do. Currently, I'm managing a team of probationary counselors and training them to understand the immense responsibility they have and ensure that they are ready to advise the people who reach out to us.
Hi, I'm Kanika. I joined GooCampus in their newly formed community known as Inspire IMG. Inspire IMG is a platform for medical professionals that help them connect with each other, find right mentors, join relevant workshops, courses, webinars, and give them an opportunity to network with their seniors and peers. I handle multiple segments within the community, including speaker manager, community growth, social media planning. I also personally host live webinars, workshops with the senior doctors from all around the world and bring valuable content to our audience. I work with Inspirers. These are the senior medical professionals around the world who have generously offered to help the next generation of doctors with mentorship, workshops, and live webinars. At GooCampus, I had the opportunity to grow rapidly and contribute directly to the success of newly formed project. Each session at Inspire AMG is a culmination of 100 tasks we do every single day. And watching our audience gain valuable insight is truly rewarding.
Hi, I'm Monisha. I joined as a probationary counselor more than 3 years ago, and now I'm a sales manager leading a team of probationary counselors working to ensure our clients to get the best possible counseling experience. I have always been interested in participating in fun and cultural activities. With help from the team, I now manage all fun activities including team lunches, team outings, birthday celebrations, send-offs, parties, and more. I'm also actively involved in cultural activities in the office, including the religious celebration we organize every year. GooCampus has provided me an outlet to showcase my skills, and I've always had an opportunity to grow immensely over the years.
So that was our workspace. We hope you've gained insight into our workspace and the values we uphold. If you're interested in joining our team, please reach out to us. Have a great day. Bye.